Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So this is my second video, of course, for this week. I did an APA check-in earlier. This time I'm going to concentrate on our awesome midterm exam. So if you click on week 7, you'll see that we have a midterm exam coming up. It is due by 11:21 at midnight. I want to preface this. It is not terribly difficult. You do have a lot of writing in this exam, but don't stress. Everything you've learned, everything that you've went over, it's not overly complicated and you'll do a good job. So don't stress about the midterm exam. It is at the top here. You have to use a lockdown browser, so make sure that it's downloaded and ready to go on your computer. Take it before 11:21. Like I mentioned, no stress. You're going to have some essays in the midterm exam. You're going to have some questions related to APA. However, these are all things that you've been over, that we've discussed. They're not highly challenging, I guess you could say, material. They are just very basic questions related to APA and communication. So take your time. Be sure you studied before you take the midterm. I don't anticipate anyone doing bad on this exam. I think you're going to be able to find the information that you need prior, and then during the exam, if you stress about it, I think you're going to think in the middle of the exam, this is a lot easier than I thought. It will take you some time because you're going to have to do some writing in relation to essays. And when I ask for essays, I want at least 3 sentences. Don't write me a book, of course, but I think there's going to be a lot of great information that you can convey when writing based on the questions that I have in this exam. So no stress. Take your time. It's the only thing due this week. You want to continue to work on your APA paper, and then also, as I mentioned, take the midterm, and you should be good to go. Another thing I want to remind you to do is make sure that you're watching and keeping an eye on the course schedule. There's a lot of great information in there that can help you keep up with the course in general. Everybody's doing great in this class. I know people are a little intimidated by the APA paper, but you're going to do fine. If you give effort, if you reach out to me, you're of course going to get a good grade because I'm going to help you through some of the challenges that you have. If you need anything, please reach out. Remember, there is a password to the exam. It's Comm 2021. I know you'll do great. I'm looking forward to seeing the grades as they come in, and I appreciate everything that you've done so far this semester. Thanks so much.